Hi guys, it's Ilene here, and being that today was July 15th and the Dollar Tree was having some sort of 10% sale, I figured I gotta stop by with my coupon. The coupon I had showed you guys in my last haul, and that's what really drove me to make myself get over there today. The only thing that was slightly disappointing, I have to say, with the coupon being it was only 10% off, but you still save 10 cents on each item you purchased. But the cashier did take that coupon, so you couldn't go Dollar Tree to Dollar Tree. You're only able to use it one time today. So note to self, for next year, I'm gonna ask the cashier for more than one. So I found some things that I did want to share with all of you guys, but first, if you're new to my channel and you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, comment down below. I love to hear feedback from all of you guys. And don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified of all my future uploads to come. I love the fall theme. I love to decorate for it. And they have gotten so many pumpkins in. I'm not even sure what I'm gonna do with them all. Maybe put them on a nice centerpiece tray for Thanksgiving. They have these really heavy duty pumpkins. They have this gold leaf at the top. It's on with a wire. These things are heavy. You can use these as a paperweight, no problem. This is a weapon. This is not as fragile as the other pumpkins that I've hauled so far. And they had these in 4 or 5 colors. I picked up 4 of them. I got the beautiful, typical orange colored pumpkin. I also picked up the brown one that's in the same shape as the orange with the same leaf at the top. I love these pumpkins and they are sturdy, I tell you. These, if you dropped it, I don't think it would break. It might break your toe. And I also picked up one in each of these other shapes. They had, I think they had it in orange as well, but I just got the greenish color with the leaf again at the top, and this white one with the leaf at the top. And the white is really beautiful. If you love to decorate just for farmhouse decor, these white ones are so pretty. They had these adorable little orange pumpkins that had sayings on them as well. Hello fall, happy harvest, and thankful and blessed. These were super cute as well, but I already had hauled pumpkins 2 other times, so I figured I couldn't have every pumpkin I saw. They also had some little bobblehead type of decorations, and I picked up this one that was in an owl. They had a couple of others. I love owls. As you can see here around my neck, I have one. So I picked up a little owl bobblehead as well. Now, for going back to school, they do have a ton of supplies, but I did not have my list handy, and I haven't gone through the things that I've saved from other years, because at the end of the school year, I do put aside everything that looks like it could be used again. So I gotta still do that, but I did pick up one of these compasses. This is by Jot, and I thought, I could always use this even if the kids don't. You may need to make a perfect circle, so for $1 I picked up a compass. I picked up also these glass beaded bracelets. I thought they were so pretty. They have them in a few different colors, and I picked them up in 3. This is the Greenbrier brand, and there are 11 beads on each bracelet. There are still things I have been looking for in the picture area, but I haven't found them. But I did find these magnetic photo frames. These are so adorable. They have a little clip at the top here to put your picture and a nice big magnet on the back. And I thought this would be great to bring to work to put on my file cabinet and hang up a picture. This one says loved, and they had this in 4 different styles. And they had a separate one that was just in a bluish color instead of the faux wood tones, and I took pictures for you guys at the end. Up this ribbon, I just thought it was so pretty, and I really just like this natural peachy color, so I picked one of these up. They had it in pink, and they had it in a burgundy color as well as an off-white. Flip-flops are still around, so again, with the beach and that aqua blue color, I picked myself up a pair. They also had in these great adorable hangers. These are so cute. They have them in a few different colors. They say they're for belts. Of course, you can also use this to hang jewelry, necklaces, bracelets. I thought this would be a great find for $1. On this hanger, it has 11 spots for you to feet of hooks, 6 on the bottom and 5 on top, so that gives you a lot of space for your belt or your jewelry, whatever you want. And last but not least, I picked up 2 of these area rugs that have this little fringe on the edge. I plan to do a DIY with it this week, so please stay tuned to my channel to see what I do with the area rugs. And that sums it up for this Dollar Tree haul. I hope that you guys did enjoy seeing the things that I found on this day where it was 10% off at the Dollar Tree. If you did, please give this video a great big thumbs up. Please comment down below. Let me know if you went to the Dollar Tree with your coupon today. If you haven't, I hope you do subscribe to my channel and definitely hit that bell icon so you get notified of my future uploads to come. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.